This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
Start with your arms by your sides as you look to the left. Wait 1 count, then bring your right knee up as you look at the camera and bring your fists together straight up above your head. Lower your arms to your sides again and bring your right foot down, then put your hands on your hips. Touch your right foot down over to the left as you move your right shoulder back and your left shoulder forward, then quickly switch the positions of your shoulders as you touch your right foot down over to the right, before returning to your previous position and bending your knees slightly. Kick up and back with your right foot so that your right knee is turned in as you swing both arms out to either side, then up. Bring your right foot down so that your right leg crosses over your left leg as you hold your right wrist with your left hand, with your arms straight above your head. Spin to the left until you are facing the camera again. While facing slightly to the left, put your left hand on your hip, tap your right foot down forward into the right, and extend your right arm forward into the right, fingers pointing down and spread out as you look in the same direction. Look at the camera as you jump to bring your feet together while pushing straight up with your right hand before bringing it back down near your chest, palm facing out. Turn slightly to the left again as you move your right foot out again and look in the same direction, but this time, after reaching out in the same direction with your right hand, curl your fingers into a fist. Bring your right fist in near your right shoulder and bring your right foot back to meet your left foot as you face the camera again. Look to the left and turn your right knee to the left as you swing your right fist down into the right, then turn your right knee to the right and look to the right as you swing your right fist down into the left. Return to your previous position. Straighten your right leg as you look at the camera. Step in place on your right foot before quickly stepping over to the left on your left foot while spreading your fingers out near your hips, palms facing in, then slide your right foot over near your left foot. Pull your hands upward, then step over to the right on your right foot and repeat the previous movements with your palms facing out this time. Step out to the left with your left foot and look in the same direction as you put your hands near your hips again with your fingers spread out. Look at the camera, then step out to the right a bit with your right foot as you swing both arms up, then out to either side and down. Swing your arms back in so that your fists are near your chest with your elbows pointing out to either side as you bring your right foot over to meet your left foot so that you are turned to the left. Lower your right arm and extend your left arm straight up, palm facing up and fingers pointing forward as you look at the camera and bend your left knee. Switch the positions of your arms and knees as you look to the left, making sure that your fingers point back this time. Switch the positions of your arms again as you look up while bending both knees with the left knee bending a bit more. Put your left fist on your hip and extend your right arm straight up, palm facing down as you turn to face the camera. Take 2 steps to the right, starting on the right foot, and end facing the camera. Turn your right hand, right knee, and head to the right, then left, then right, then turn your hand to the left, straighten your knee, and look at the camera.